Hello everyone, welcome to your English class with Felipe. I am Felipe. Welcome to my humble abode. I hope you're having fun in your quarantine. You're getting to visit many of your teachers' homes. This is mine. It's white, yes. Okay, so today we're going to be talking about gerund and infinitive, so please stay with me. Okay, so gerund and infinitive. What are those? I know what you think. The first thing you think when you think of gerund and infinitive, what is it? That's not it. Gerund and infinitive are two different ways to talk about the same verb. I'm going to give you some examples. If I say to walk, to dream, to cry, I'm talking on infinitive for the verbs walk, dream, and cry. If I say walking, dreaming, and crying, I'm saying the gerund forms of the same verbs. Okay, so when I use infinitive and gerund, they give you an idea of time and the sequence of events in which they happen. So when I say the infinitive form, it sounds like every verb is put in a position to show you exactly in which order they happen. So when I say Tommy stopped to smoke a cigarette, first you have Tommy, and then you have stopped, which means that he halted to a pause, and then I have smoked, so it means he then started to smoke. So first stop, second smoke. Okay, this is for infinitive. So when I use gerund, it's a little bit different. The order makes a different sense. It's going to be like this. If I say Tommy stopped smoking cigarette, the second verb, which is smoke, is going to be understood as the first thing that happened in our timeline. And the second verb, which is stop, is going to be the second. So when I say Tommy stopped smoking cigarettes, it means that first he was smoking cigarette, and then he quit, and now he stopped smoking cigarettes. He doesn't smoke cigarettes anymore. Another verb is remember. If I say what do we need to do, and it's really important during the quarantine, you need to remember to stay at home. So remember to stay at home. If I say I remember to stay at home, it means that every day I remember something, and what is the something is to stay at home. Whenever I consider opening the door, I'm like, no, I just remember I need to stay at home. So remember to stay. First remember, second you stay. Okay, the quarantine is over. Now you're back with your friends and you're talking to them, and then one of your friends said, oh yeah, did you get out of your house during the quarantine? And you say, no, I remember staying at home. So because staying is in the gerund form, you're going to understand that the first thing that happened was staying. So in the past, I stay at home. And now, today, when I say remember, you're going to understand that I remember today something that happened in the past. All right? Okay, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you have understood or better comprehended gerund and infinitive and how you can use them in sentences. There's going to be some exercises for you in the website. Try to do it. I hope you have learned a lot. I hope you had some fun. Please stay safe, stay at home. Think of the elderly. Think of everybody else, actually. And I'll see you on a following class, probably, maybe. I don't know. Bye-bye.